Good morning, foodies. Welcome to Breakfast Around the World. Today we're diving into the vibrant and multicultural breakfast scene of Singapore, where flavors from Chinese, Malay, Indian, and Western cuisines come together to create some unforgettable dishes. Let's explore 4 of Singapore's most popular breakfast delights that you absolutely need to try. First up, we've got an iconic local favorite, kaya toast and soft-boiled eggs. This simple but delicious combo is a Singaporean staple. The toast is slathered with kaya, a sweet coconut and egg jam, and a thick slab of butter. Pair it with perfectly soft-boiled eggs, seasoned with soy sauce and pepper, and you've got a breakfast that's equal parts sweet, salty, and satisfying. Next on the list is Nasi Lemak, a traditional Malay dish that'll fill you up for hours. The fragrant rice is cooked in coconut milk and served with crispy fried anchovies, peanuts, a boiled egg, and a dollop of spicy sambal. It's got a little bit of everything: crunchy, creamy, spicy, and oh so delicious. Now, if you're in the mood for something flaky and irresistible, you have to try Roti Prata. This Indian-influenced flatbread is crispy on the outside and soft inside. You can eat it sweet with a sprinkle of sugar or dip it in a savory curry. Watching the prata being flipped and fried is almost as fun as eating it. Finally, we have dim sum, a Chinese breakfast tradition that's all about variety. From steamed buns to dumplings, siu mai to chi chong fun, the choices are endless. Dim sum is typically served in small portions, so you get to try a little bit of everything, perfect for sharing with friends or indulging solo. So there you have it, kaya toast, nasi lemak, roti prata, and dim sum. These 4 dishes showcase the incredible variety of flavors that make breakfast in Singapore such an exciting way to start the day. Whether you love something sweet, savory, or spicy, there's a Singaporean breakfast waiting for you. Thanks for joining us on this tasty journey through Singapore's breakfast scene. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more food adventures from Breakfast Around the World. See you next stop.